when the Prime Minister, the former Prime Minister of Kenya, Dr. Raila Amolo Odinga, and the President Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta of Kenya decided to take a step to heal the wounds that had bedeviled Kenya for a long time. They made a step, a huge sacrifice. They put aside their egos. They crossed, looked at each other, shook hands. The handshake produced what we call the Building of Bridges Initiative, which is commonly known as a redemption strategy. You cannot change it. To build, to rebuild is restitute. To restitute is to reparate. To reparate is to account. To account is to truth, to reconcile, to truth telling. It leads to healing. Kenya had turmoil, electoral turmoil, violence before, during, and after elections. There was need for the head of state to sit back and look through what can be done, what can be delivered, what can change the direction of this country for a better country. Violence had become the norm of our elections, of the elections of the people of Kenya. Violence had become a trademark of most politicians who come from the tribal, ethnic balkanization that has destroyed some states in Africa. It is therefore very important and crucial that the stage at which the BBI, when unveiled today or tomorrow or any time, for people not to lose focus, but to focus on the main aim of why BBI, why the Building of Bridges Initiative, why stakeholders had to gather and put an input, was to heal the country. It wasn't to expand, it wasn't to enrich, it wasn't to eliminate, it wasn't to destroy the ambitions of people who want to become whoever you want to become, whether president, deputy president, whatever type of ambition you have, that's your ambition. But Kenya is not for I. Kenya is for them, for us, for those who belong to Kenya. Kenya is for those who are Kenyans. All of them subscribe. Whether you are paying low tax or high tax, you remain a Kenyan. It doesn't change who you are. It doesn't change how you pay it. It doesn't change how you get it. You struggle to become a Kenyan and keep Kenya. A united Kenya, therefore, would have the best opportunity to engage itself in a discussion, a conversation that will create a system that will become inclusive with the few resources distributed equitably without violence. If we fail to do that, we might lead ourselves to a violent route as a result of the lack of the two: inclusive politics and the lack of distribution of the few equitable distribution of resources and responsibilities? That is the question. Those are the questions of the nation to discuss. Thank you.